Okay, question 4. We're going to take that equation and we're going to solve it for L. In notes earlier today, we solved for W. And the L is being multiplied by 2 and it's getting it and add 2W. So I always like to get rid of addition or subtraction first. So that's why I'm going to subtract 2W. And those are not like terms, so please, again, leave them separate. You can't combine those any which way. It's 2 times L, so the inverse of multiplication, again, is division, and everything gets divided by 2. Now, you can't do anything with P over 2, but on the 2W divided by 2, you can divide 2 by 2. Left with W, 2 by 2, left with L. And this is the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, and a rectangle has 2 lengths and 2 widths. Number 5, okay, we are going to go through and solve for the W. Now, here, come on. So then on this one, I'm going to get rid of that 1/3 first. Now, 1/3 is attached by multiplication. So it's multiplication of a fraction, and I like to multiply that by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 1/3 is 3 over 1. So that's where I'm going to get a 3v on the left. The 3's and the 1's cancel on the right, and you're left with more multiplication of length times width times height. Now you're trying to solve for W, and W has L and H attached by multiplication. So I'm going to go ahead and do the inverse of multiplication, which is then division of L and H. L's, H's cancel, you're left with W. On the right-hand side, there's nothing you can do with that. 3V over LH. And again, this is going to be the volume of a pyramid. On the last one, solve for T, and that T has a P and an R attached again by multiplication. So very similar how we finished up that last one. So the inverse of multiplication is still division. So I'm dividing by P and R. And you can't do anything with I divided by P and R. So that's the best you can do. Now what this is for is about calculating interest. Okay.